Once upon a time in a town called Spongetown lived a little boy named Enoch. Enoch was a happy boy, always finding fun in everything he did. The only thing Enoch disliked was washing dishes. He thought it was tiresome, boring, and couldn't understand why it was so important. One sunny afternoon after a big lunch, Enoch's mum said, "Enoch, could you help clean the dishes?" Enoch, always eager to avoid this task, tried to vanish without a sound. But his mum had keen eyes. "Enoch, where are you going? The dishes aren't going to clean themselves." Enoch sighed. "All right, Mum." He reluctantly went to the kitchen and started washing the dishes with as much enthusiasm as a snail racing uphill. Suddenly a strange thing happened. The soap bubble he blew took the shape of a small creature. It had tiny little wings, a soapy beard, and held a dish brush like a magic wand. "Hello, Enoch," the bubble creature greeted. "I'm Bobble, the magical dish elf." Enoch gasped. "You're real?" "Indeed. And I see you're not having fun with dishes. Well, let me tell you, dishes can take you on fantastic adventures." Suddenly, with a wave of his wand, Bobble transported Enoch into a world inside the dishwater, a magical bubble kingdom. The kingdom was beautiful, shimmering with colors from the sunlight, but it was in chaos, overrun by food particle monsters, splashes of leftover sauce dragons, and silverware warriors fighting a losing battle. "Enoch," Bobble announced, "you're the only one who can help us. Help us, dear boy. By cleaning the dishes, you can rid us of these foul beasts." Enoch was hesitant. "But I'm no hero, and I don't like washing dishes." "Oh, but Enoch," said Bobble, "you don't have to be a fan of something to be good at it. Here, let me teach you the dish-cleaning song to make it fun." Bobble began to sing. "I love to clean the dishes. I love to clean the dishes. I love to clean the dishes. I love to clean the dishes." With a deep breath, Enoch took the scrub brush, and with the tune in his heart, he began to clean. As he scrubbed each dish, the food monsters disappeared, the sauce dragons calmed, and the silverware warriors cheered. With each dish he cleaned, he became more confident and faster. By the time Enoch had finished, the bubble kingdom was sparkling clean, free of chaos. Everyone cheered for Enoch, their dishwashing hero. Bobble grinned. "See, cleaning dishes can be a fun and important adventure too." Back in his kitchen, Enoch finished the last dish with a huge smile on his face. His mum was surprised. "Well, that was quick. Did you have fun, Enoch?" Enoch grinned. More than you know, Mum." And from that day forward, Enoch no longer saw dish cleaning as a chore. Instead, he saw it as an opportunity for a dish-tastic adventure. And every time he had to clean dishes, he'd sing his magical song and scrub away with a smile, knowing the value of his task and the fun it could hold. So remember, the next time you're given a task you think is boring, try to see it from Enoch's point of view. You never know what kind of adventure awaits. Go and give your mum or dad a hug. Tell them thank you for cleaning the dishes, and subscribe for more stories.